ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. Today I'm talking about the status of women and the Sikh Gurus. Sikhism has the unique credit of uplifting the status of women in the Indian society and a segment of its religious teachings. In the times during and prior to Guru Nanak, in the Indian subcontinent, a woman was treated like a slave. She had no social or economic rights and was considered and treated like a childbearing machine. Both Hindu and Muslim societies had deprived her from all family and social rights. Guru Nanak revolted. Guru Nanak revolted against this injustice and cruel practice. In his hymns, he challenged the religious protagonists of Indian culture and questioned how dare they call women low and inferior when their mothers and sisters were women. He said that these are the women who had given birth to kings and prophets. He preached the holiness and piety of women. The hymns of Guru Granth Sahib and the Sikh Code of Conduct advocate the supremacy of women. Nowadays, every year in March, the world celebrates International Women's Day. And in times, it has become a major day of global celebrations. It highlights the economic, political, and social achievement of women. On television and radio, there are interviews with high-profile women. In the newspapers, there are articles and photographs of high achievers. But alas, in this confusion and mad race, the world has forgotten the contribution of Guru Nanak, who had spearheaded this change. It is a pity that the world does not know the social and family reforms carried by Sikh Gurus, Guru Nanak and his 9 successors to uplift the Indian woman. The Sikh Guru raised voice against the tradition of sati, burning alive of widows on the deceased pyre, the parda system, the veiling and covering of the face, the deprivation of women to inherit property, the refusal of voting rights to female members of society, the denial to the woman the right of divorce and remarriage, the restriction on women's education, and curbs on women to go out and socialize, and so on. The Guru emphasized the need of education for women and opened schools for them adjacent to Sikh shrines, Gurdwaras. They spearheaded and they preached for women literacy and equality. Many women of the Guru's household worked along with the Gurus to set new traditions and practices for women liberation. Bibi Nanki, the sister of Guru Nanak, was the first convert and preacher of Sikh faith. Mata Khivi, the wife of Guru Angad, was the first woman to reorganize the traditions of Langar. Bibi Pani, the daughter of Guru Amar Das, was the first woman to set examples of selfless service. Mata Ganga, the wife of Guru Arjan, was the first woman to preach the concept of humility and modesty amongst women. Mata Gujri, the mother of Guru Gobind Singh and wife of Guru Tegh Bahadur, was the first woman martyr of Guru's household. Similarly, the later history of the Sikhs is also filled with the devotion, selfless service, valor, bravery, and devotion of Sikh women. On International Women's Day, we all must bow to Guru Nanak and thank him for the great revolution, For the great revolution he had set in. For the great revolution he had set in. For the great revolution he had set in. He had set in motion. We must respect women. We must adore women. That is the message of the Sikh Gurus. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.